Okay, here is a statistic 2. It's similar to 1, and there's a on page here, so you can see the information. And also the user input is pretty similar, start draw, target draw, only this is difference. Distance, so you can select distance as default as 10. You will see the distance about the table. You can, because this value define how long the table is, how many rows table is. Similar, you can choose the lottery you're interested. Click submit. So you can see the most recent one is on the bottom. So this is February, and then go to the bigger. So to the bottom. Then you go to the bottom, and you see the last draw is July 30. And so you can see the distance. As we said, we see that you define that the distance is 10. So then this table, the column for the distance is 10. But if you can define like any value as you like, then the columns will be show up. Depends on that value. So 1 means the distance 1. So how many numbers whose distance is 1 is has been drawn in this draw, or how many numbers that distance is 1 has been hit on this draw. So you can see on the last draw there is one number whose distance is 1 got the hit, and another number whose distance is 3 got a hit, another number so distance 6 got a hit, and so on. So there's 4 numbers whose distance less than or equal to 10 got hit in the last draw, and the other 2 was you can understand, or you can infer that the other 2 was distance bigger than 10. So those 2 numbers you can consider the cone numbers, because the distance is bigger than 10, and they got the draw. So you can see the history. Some of draw, there's no cone number can be hit, because all numbers got hit or draw are the distance less than 10. And some of them, there's a 2 cone number or just 1 cone number hit. So you can analyze this table to see, okay, so in your next draw, to pick how many cone numbers, how many hot numbers, or how many. You can just see the distribution of this table is the distance smaller. They got denser. So most of the draw numbers got draw is hot numbers or semi-hot numbers. So it's kind of hint, but not always correct. So this is about statistic 2.